Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Just feast your eyes on this beautiful range of Aussie muscle cars. No electric cars to be found here. Imagine the poor kids of today when we were 10 and 15 drooling over these amazing cars, and they're drooling over electric cars now. Feel sad for them. But here we go, look at this, a couple of nice new cars dropped into Australian muscle car sales this week. This will be coming on the market. Very nice replica XYGT Vermilion, black trim. I'll pop the bonnet on this. This one is very nice in, it has got factory integrated air conditioning. Pop that, there you go, look at the little vents there. And in the middle, so top loader, 9-inch, and nicely to drive around in air-conditioned comfort. There you go. 351 Cleveland, and so that'll be coming on shortly. This K-Code GS, that's a factory K-Code GS track red ute. That's just been sold. Also just come in is this lovely XB 75 XB Polar White GT. Very, very nice clean car. 119,000, so really attractive entry price. Factory manual. Got a top loader in it now. But look at this thing, these two cars. How cool is that? Actual cams, Logbook AU Falcon, and also a little Mini Cooper, beautiful car. Look at that, tiny little. So interesting, both Bathurst race, style of Bathurst race cars. Well, that's a real Bathurst race car, but this one was a very, very solid racing car in its day, a little Mini Cooper S. And then we've got this monster 428 Super Cobra Jet. Look at that, what a car. Very rare, 800 odd cars ever built, 428 Cobra Jets. And deep ivy green, look at that with the Hurst shifter. How nice is that? It's a stunner. That is probably one of the nicest Mustangs. And sitting right next to it is the Boss 302. That's been dropped down to just under 115,000, so that's a bargain now. Boss 302. Look at that. What else has come in? Then we've got this beautiful Mach 1, 73 Mach 1. That's a 351. That's been converted to right-hand drive. Lovely, lovely car. Really original. Low mileage, only had paint on the outside, that's it. Look at this. Beautiful car. That's another very good one. We got a couple of really nice XA and XB Falcons. I'll come back to the Tirana in a minute, but this one pretty much sold in one day. Absolutely spectacular, untouched. Day one XB Falcon hardtop. All original paint. Look, you can even see the mottled paint of the old acrylic. And just an incredible car. Look at that, 79,000 kilometres. And it's genuine. And look at this, I've never seen this before. I mean, you've got a console. This has been optioned with a console, but you don't have the shifter because it's a 3-speed manual. And look at that, the vinyl flooring in perfect condition. Like, this thing is a museum car. Still got the original steering instructions, and look at that. Look at the steering wheel, just spectacular condition. Look at that, 79,000, wow. This is phenomenal. Hard to believe a car like this. You could just spend an hour on it. Look at the old, with the hubcaps. Just so straight too. Full history, logbooks, everything. That was from Stillwells in Adelaide. Still got the original plates. And then right behind it, this is the Emerald Fire XB GT. That's just been sold. Beautiful car. And then from the same garage is this beautiful K-Code XA. And this one is, again, an incredibly special car, all original. Right, look at this. Look at the trim. White trim with black cloth insert on the compliance plate. And this is a factory GS. So K-Code GS magic. Might pop the bonnet quickly on this because that is absolutely stunning. Look at the paint. It's just incredible. Let's have a quick look under the bonnet. Look at that. 351 with the orange colour tappet covers. But look at that, day one. Hard to believe. Just looked after that well. Have a look at the back on this one. Jack Brabham Ford at Bankstown. Factory dual exhaust as well, and original number plates on this one as well. Over here you'll see on the website I've just listed this one, 2012 25th anniversary in the Maloo. And we've also got this lovely Falcon GT. That's the 40th anniversary. GDSR, that was just sold. And I'll just show you the last car, which I have not listed yet, but it is mind-boggling. This is a genuine mint julep SLR 4.2. And it does not even, I can't even describe how beautiful this car is. Just a sensational restoration. 42 kilometres. So it is brand spanking new. And just look at this car. LX 4.2 SLR, genuine SLR. But look at it. The paint just gleams. And those wheels, look at that. Just looks magic. Oh, look at that. That is a very beautiful car. So I will have all these cars and more on the website. And thank you very much for watching Australian Muscle Car TV. And long live these beautiful petrol monsters. Enjoy, and hope you've enjoyed having a look at all these incredible cars. And we look forward to bringing you lots more over the next weeks. Thanks for watching Australian Muscle Car TV.